In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make every word in your Excel cell appear on its own line with a simple keyboard shortcut. If you work with a lot of text data in spreadsheets, you know how tricky it can be to keep everything organized and easy to read. Sometimes you want each word to stand out on a new line to make the data more readable or visually appealing. Fortunately, Excel offers a straightforward way to do this, and I'm going to walk you through the process. First, open up your Excel spreadsheet where you want this formatting to be applied. Look for the cell or cells where you want each word to occupy its own line. Click on the cell to select it. If you have multiple cells, you can click and drag to highlight them all, or hold down the Control key while clicking individual cells to select them. Selecting the right cells is important because this will determine where your changes take effect. Once you've selected the appropriate cell, double-click it so that the cursor appears inside. It's important to be in edit mode because this is where you'll be able to make the changes directly within the cell itself. Now here's the trick. Position the cursor exactly where you want to start moving your words to new lines. Typically, this will be right between the words. You can navigate to these positions using the arrow keys for more precision. Now for the magic moment, press Alt and Enter on your keyboard simultaneously. Doing this moves the word or the portion of the text following the cursor to a new line, but within the same cell. You'll notice immediately that Excel wraps the text to the next line right there inside the cell you're editing. This is called line break or soft return, and it's a handy way to maintain data within a single cell while breaking it visually. You can repeat this Alt and Enter shortcut for each word or wherever you need a new line within the cell. This shortcut works whether you're dealing with just a few words or a large block of text. Once you've finished, press Enter to exit the editing mode and your cell will display each word on its own line, right there for an easy read. And that's all it takes. It's a simple yet effective way to organize text in cells. If you want to undo any of these changes, you can go back into edit mode and simply delete the invisible line break that Alt and Enter created by pressing the backspace or delete key. This tip is a great way to tidy up your spreadsheet, especially when you need a clean and organized presentation of information. So next time you're working in Excel, remember this neat trick to enhance your data's readability.